What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Tech Product. If you are looking for the best industrial endoscope camera to inspect tight and hard-to-reach spaces, you are in the right place. Today, we are talking about a powerful inspection tool that delivers clear visuals and smart control in one compact device. Let's get started.
Let me introduce the InScam S10 Industrial Endoscope Camera. This device is designed for detailed inspections where your eyes simply cannot reach. It features an 8mm single and dual lens system that captures high-quality images. This helps you clearly see cracks, leaks, or hidden damage without guessing. The sharp imaging allows you to detect problems early and make more accurate decisions.
The InScam S10 Industrial Endoscope Camera comes with a 5-inch IPS screen that displays 1080p visuals. The screen shows bright colors and clear details so you can easily understand what you are looking at. With its 1920p resolution display and 2 million pixel sensor, the camera delivers sharp and precise images at different focal lengths. Everything you see on the screen feels crisp and easy to analyze. One of the most impressive features of the InScam S10 Industrial Endoscope Camera is its two-way rotate design. It provides a full 360-degree view, and you can adjust the camera angle directly from the handle. This means you do not have to twist your hand in uncomfortable positions to see around corners. You can smoothly move the lens and check every hidden area with confidence. The probe is 1 meter long, which is about 3.3 feet, and it is flexible like a snake cable. It easily navigates through narrow pipes and tight engine spaces. This makes it especially useful for inspecting car engine pipes and other small channels. The flexibility allows you to move through complex areas without losing control. The InScam S10 Industrial Endoscope Camera also supports photo and video capture at 1920 by 1080p. You can record what you find and keep it for later reference. This is helpful when you need to show someone else the issue or document your inspection process. Power comes from a built-in 2000 mAh battery. It can run for up to 3 hours of continuous use, which gives you plenty of time to complete your inspection. The probe is IP67 waterproof and resistant to temperatures up to 80 degrees Celsius. This means it can handle wet areas and high heat environments without trouble. To help you see clearly in dark spaces, it includes 8 adjustable LED lights that brighten up the area in front of the lens. The InScam S10 Industrial Endoscope Camera also comes as a complete kit. You get useful accessories like a hook, a mirror, and a magnet, all packed neatly in a carrying case. These tools help you retrieve small objects or check different angles more easily. Clear vision in the tightest spaces. If you want a reliable inspection tool with smart features and strong performance, this one is definitely worth considering. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more amazing product videos. See you next time.